जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMA Samachar channel from the international world. Aruba is an island and a constituent country of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in the southern Caribbean Sea, located about 1,000 km west of the main part of the Lesser Antilles and 29 km north of the coast of Venezuela. Its measures 32 kilometers long from its northern west to its southeastern end and 10 kilometers across as its widest point. Country on the occasion of Independence Day, PM Modi hosted the flag on Lal Killa. Education in the school drawbacks fixed with and students give ensured sacraments. On the occasion of Independence Day, PM Modi hosting the flag and the female army helped them. Environment. Kaveri is a sacred Indian river flowing through the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The river Kaveri rises at Talakaveri on the Brahmagiri Range in the Western Ghats, Kodagu district of the state of Karnataka at an elevation of 1,341 meters above mean sea level and flows for about 800 kilometers before its outfall into the Bay of Bengal. It is the third largest river after Godavari and Krishna in South India and the largest in the state of Tamil Nadu, which on its course bisects the state into north and south. Invention. The speed of light in vacuum, commonly denoted c, is a universal physical constant important in many areas of physics. Its exact value is defined as 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 meters per second. It is exact because by international agreement, a meter is defined as the length of the path traveled by light in vacuum during a time of interval 1 by 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 seconds. According to special relativity, c is the upper limit for the speed at which conventional matter and information can travel. Great Persian Kabir Das was a 15th century Indian mystic, poet and saint whose writing influenced Hinduism, Bhakti's movement, and where his verses are found in Sikhism scripture. Guru Granth Sahib. His early life was in Muslim family, but he was strongly influenced by his teacher, the Hindu Bhakti leader Ramanand. Kabir was born in the city of Varanasi. Kabir is known for being critical of both Hinduism and Islam. Static followers of both were misguided by the Vedas and Quran and questioning their meaningless rites of initiation, such as the sacred thread and circumcision, respectively. During this lifetime, he was threatened by both Hindus and Muslims for his views. State history of Lakshadweep. Of the earliest reference to the region by an anonymous author in the Periplus of the Arthurian Sea. There are references to control of the island by Chedas in the Shangam Patri Patu. Local traditions and legends attribute the first settlement on this island to the period of Chiraman Peripal, the last Chira king of Kerala. The oldest inhabited islands in the group of Amini, Kalpini, and Trot, Kavariti, and Agit. Archaeological evidence suggests that Buddhism prevailed in the region during the 5th and 6th centuries AD. Crops. Okra or okro, known in English-speaking countries as lady's fingers or ochro, is a flowering plant in the mallow family. It is valued for its edible green shade pods. The geographical origin of okra is disputed, with supports of West African, Ethiopian, and South Asian origin. The plant is cultivated in tropical, subtropical, and warm temperate regions around the world. Fruits. The Orienchaceae are a diverse and widespread family of flowering plants with blooms that are often colorful and fragrant, commonly known as orchid family, along With the Acacia, they are one of the two largest country family of the flowering plants. The Orchidaceae, about 28,000 currently accepted species distributed in about 763 genera. The determination of which family is larger is still under debate because verified data on the members of such enormous families are continually in flux. योग, पवन मुक्तासन, Vatyanasana or wind relieving pose is a asana in modern yoga as exercise. The health benefits of Pavan Muktasana. There are some amazing benefits of Pavan Muktasana. It strengthens the abdominal muscles and masses the intestines and internal organs of the digestive system, therefore releasing trapped gases and improving digestion. It strengthens the back muscles and tones the muscles of the arms and legs. Universe. The Sichuan Desert is a desert and eco-region designation covering parts of northern Mexico and the southern western United States. It occupies most of the West Texas, parts of the middle and lower Rio Grande Valley and the lower Pecos Valley in New Mexico, and a portion of southeastern Arizona as well as central and northern portion of the Mexican Plateau. It is observed on the west by the Sonoran Desert and the extensive Sierra Madre Occidental Range, along with northwestern lowlands in the Sierra Madre Oriental Range. Myths. Ayurveda. Nutmeg is the seed or ground spice of several species of the genus Myristica. Myristica fragrans is a dark-leaved evergreen tree cultivated for true species derived from its fruits, nutmeg from its seeds, and meat from the sheet covering. It is also a commercial source of an essential oil and nutmeg butter. Village town. Haridwar is an ancient city and important Hindu pilgrimage site in North India's Uttarakhand state, where the river Ganga exists. The Himalayan foothills, the largest of several sacred ghats. Har Ki Pauri Ghost, a nightly Ganga Aarti in which tiny flickering lamps are floated off the steps. Worshippers fill the city during major festivals including the annual Kanwar Mela. Today's event. Indian Independence Day. 1948, the Republic of Korea established south of the 38th parallel north. 1954, Alfred Stroessner began his dictatorship in Paraguay. 1952, a flash flood drenched the town of Lemonmouth, England, killing 34 people. Today's temperature in Patna 29 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 29 degrees Celsius. Royal Act. The Arrangeal and Revolutionary Crimes Act of 1990, popularly known as the Royal Act or Black Act, was a legislative council act passed by the Imperial Legislative Council in Delhi on 18th March 1919, indefinitely extending the emergency measures of preventing infinite detonation, incarnation without trial, and judicial review enacted in the Defence of India Act 1950 during the First World War. It was enacted in light of perceived threat from revolutionary nationalists to organization of re-engaging in similar conspiracies as during the war, which the government felt the lapse of the Defence of India Act would enable. It was the Royal Act which brought Gandhi to the mainstream of Indian struggle for independence and ushered in the Gandhi era of the Indian politics. Today's for that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. Maa Bharati ki jai. Happy independence to all.
Om Dyauh Shantirantariksha Om Shantih Prithvi Shantirapah Shantiroshadhayah Shantih Vanaspatayah Shantirvishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvagum Shanti Shantireva Shanti Sama Shantiredhi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti